So, if I read the story of SPLA also, in Kenya, you went there in Kenya to what? To get friends or to the people of Kenya, to get relationship between you. You went to Eritrea, you went to Uganda, you went to Ethiopia also. As now we are in Sudan, now we are in Congo. Does not mean that if you went there to kill the people of what? Of Kenya, to kill the people of Eritrea, to kill the people of Ethiopia. No. You went there for something which take you to Ethiopia. So we are here in Sudan or we are here in Congo for the something which is good for our life. That is why we are here. But we are here not to kill the people of Sudan. Only that when we pass, those people will come to fight us. So we have to defend ourselves. We have to defend ourselves. We have to see that our people is also well. But our intention not to fight Sudan government, and we are not ready of it. There's no any gain here to fight the Sudanese government, to kill the people of Sudan. That is one thing which you should know very well.